Hi guys, it's Mrs. Melson. Okay, let's just do a couple algorithms with our 2D arrays. So I've got our two arrays up here, names and ages. Um, let's do, first let's create a method to print, okay, one little algorithm. So I'm going to create all these as methods. Okay, I'll just call this print. We'll just do the names one, okay, because I got to specify the type. Okay, so I got to put the array in as the parameter, and I guess I'll use a for each loop since I'm just printing. Let's see, string, I'll do row of array, and string item of, oops, row. Okay, so we're just going to print them out. And then we'll print the item plus, oh, let's do the tab again. I like that. It's all nice. Spaces it out all nice. Okay, close. Okay. All right, so let's just test this algorithm. We'll print names. Let's see how that works. Okay. Oh, I always forget that line. Let me add my line in after each row. Okay. Okay, it looks like a matrix. All right, let's put an algorithm now to search for an element. So we'll search for Lucas. I put Lucas in here 3 times. So we'll search for Lucas and we'll replace it with something like maybe all asterisks or something. Okay, so let's create another method. Let's make this a void method because we'll just modify the matrix. Okay, change. Of course, I need the array, and I need the name to change. I'll call this change. Okay. I don't need to establish I'm not counting or adding anything up, so I'm just going to go through each element. I don't know if I can use a for each. Let's try, I'm going to do this. Let's try the for each to see if I can change it. So here I would say, let's see, oops, if word equals change, do we want, I always forget that another parenthesis. If word equals change, can I just say word equals, let's just change it to all asterisks. I honestly don't know if this is going to work. Might have to do, I have all my stuff here. Okay. I might have to change it to a nested loop, but let's see if this works. Finish that off. Okay, so change name. Let's try it. Then we'll do names, and we'll look for Lucas. Of course, after it's runs, we need to print names again. Oh, wait. Oh, not word, item. Sorry. Okay, yeah, it didn't work. All right, so let's change this to, instead of a enhanced loop, let's just do a regular loop. 0. I is less than array length plus, and then is less than array of row, or row, the first row of the array length, so it goes through everything, and j plus plus. And now if, I guess I can keep that. If array of I a equals change, then we'll replace this with the asterisk. That, did I get everything right? Let's see. There we go. Now it worked. Why do I have so many spaces? Okay. Oh, I don't need that. That's why. I was going to say, I don't need that. I'm not printing anything. There we go. What I really need is a space up here. I need a space up here. Okay. All right, so that's one algorithm where we can search through and look for something and replace it. Okay, we've done that before, but now we can do it with our 2D arrays. Okay, the other algorithm I want to do is let's do one off of the int of the ages 2D array, and let's count the number of elements that are greater than 50 and sum them up at the same time. Okay, might as well do two things in the method, and we'll just do a I guess we're gonna have to do a void return method because I'm not gonna just return a count or just return the total. Actually, let's do a count first. Do the count first. Count, and this will be our int array, and we do want to give it a target, or I'll say max. Okay. This one we could do a for each because we're not going to modify anything. And then int item dot row, and then we'll say if item is greater than max, we count plus plus. I know I forgot to establish my count at the beginning. Okay, so let's look here and do our count beginning, and then it'll establish it. And then once I get out of the loops, I will return my count. Okay, so that should work. Okay, so it's called count items. Run this. Now I'm going to need to print it because, of course, it's returning an int. So let's do system.out and we'll run it with the ages array or 2D array, and our max will be, we'll do 50. Okay, so what should I get here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I should get 6 items over 50. So let's see if that yields a 6. It did. Okay, very good. All right, let's do one more where we count up those items over 50. Okay, so, or total them up. I'm going to just copy and paste and we'll just do another one. Okay, so now we're going to, let's call it total items. Okay, we'll do the same thing, anything over 50 or whatever we say. So now I don't want to necessarily count, I want a total. So then I'm going to take my total plus equals item, right? And I will return my total. Okay, this should be good, right? Okay, good, no errors. Let's run this. I was trying to think. I don't know the total of all my elements that are over 50. So we'll have to just see if it works. Okay, so total items, we'll do our ages array, of course, and I'll do my max over 50. So I think 51, 73, 57, 92, 55, and 65. I think it's like 3 something. I totaled it out before and I forgot. Let's see. 393. Okay, I did total it before and it works. Okay. All right, so those are just a couple algorithms. Again, algorithms that we've done before with other things in the past, but now we get to do them as we go through a 2D array. Okay, so we always have to have that nested loop, whether we used an enhanced for each loop or we just used our nested for loop. And again, it all depends on what we want to do with that element. If we just want to count it or total it, the enhanced worked, but here we wanted to change it, so we had to use our nested for loops. Okay, I hope this was helpful, and I will see you all next time.